Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. President presents a National Award on International Day of Persons with Disabilities. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma defends inauguration of CNRD blocks in the state. NPP Chief Conrad Sangma to contest polls from South Tura only. And singer, composer and musician Gloucester Nongbet from Meghalaya awarded Sangeet Natak Academy Amrit Award. The news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu today conferred the National Award for the Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities for the year 2021 and 2022 on the occasion of International Day of Persons with Disabilities at a function in New Delhi. National awards for 2021 were given to 25 individuals, institutions and organizations, while for 2022 the National Awards were presented to 29 individuals, institutions and organizations for their outstanding achievements and work done towards empowerment of persons with disabilities.
सरकार द्वारा ग्वालियर में एक दिव्यांग खेल केंद्रों की स्थापना की जा रही है। उस केंद्रों में दिव्यांग खिलाड़ियों के लिए शिक्षा के साथ-साथ उनके प्रशिक्षण के लिए अत्याधुनिक सुविधाएं होंगी ताकि वे राष्ट्रीय और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मंचों पर प्रतिस्पर्धा कर सके। भारतीय संस्कृति और परंपरा में डिसेबिलिटी को ज्ञान अर्जन और उत्कृष्टता प्राप्त करने में कभी भी बाधा नहीं माना गया है।
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Friday admitted that there is no infrastructure available for manpower for the newly created Community and Rural Development CNRD blocks and Civil Subdivisions CSDs. However, the motto is to bring administration closer to the people. Talking to media at the sideline of a program in Shillong, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said there is a huge financial implication for the creation of the CNRD blocks and civil subdivisions. Earlier, he also said the summoning of 4 Hinyotrep National Liberation Council leaders by the Special Court of the National Investigation Agency would not impact the peace talks with the banned outfit.
For the elections, so I don't know whether he would again term that also as an elections gimmick when he did it in 2013. So there will be financial implications. Blocks on an average may have a salary implication of about 2 crores and subdivision also approximately same, plus minus depending on total number of manpower that we will ultimately put in there. So these are implications that are there. Of course, we will have to put up buildings at the end and infrastructures, which will be something that will be phased out in the long run and will not have an immediate impact on it. But obviously, we have to create the civil subdivisions and the buildings.
Chief Minister and NPP National President Conrad K. Sangma has made it clear that he will contest the upcoming assembly polls only from South Tura constituency. Amidst the speculation that the Chief Minister contests from 2 constituencies, Sangma clarified his stand and said he will not be contesting from 2 seats in 2023. Speaking to reporters, Sangma said that there is no question of him leaving his home constituency, South Tura. He said that he has full faith in his constituency as he have worked very hard in the constituency.
I am only contesting from South Tura constituency, so I'm very clear on that. I have full faith in my constituency. I have worked very hard in my constituency and I've built up. So there's no question of me leaving my constituency as such. In terms of contesting from another constituency, I have not decided on that yet. The party also has not decided on that yet. We will see the situation, how it unfolds. But as I said, my primary constituency, which is South Tura, is the constituency where, as of now and at the moment,
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today laid the foundation for the Integrated Development Complex or Mini Secretariat in Jawai. Speaking on the occasion, Conrad Sangma said that this facility, once completed, would render efficient public service delivery under the same roof. He also said that the infrastructure would save time and resources besides improving governance for the residents of Jawai and West Giant Hills District as a whole. Other cabinet ministers and local MLA were also present on the occasion. A passionate and accomplished folk singer, composer and musician Gloucester Nongbet from Meghalaya has been awarded this year's Sangeet Natak Academy Amrit Award under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. This is once-in-a-lifetime award which is given to artists above 75 years of age from the field of the performing arts of India. Here is a report.
A quiet but accomplished folk musician, 84-year-old Gloucester Nongbet, chose the Duitara, a 4-strings plucked musical instrument, to showcase his love for the music. A retired IRS officer for the Department of Custom, his love for music began ever since the time he heard his first notes on the radio. So much was his passion for music that he began to take music lessons and started singing to entertain his friends and kins. He soon became a regular artist at All India Radio Shillong, singing popular pop tunes of his days.
I started singing in All India Radio Shillong at the age of 14, when I was at the age of 14, by getting 15 rupees that time payment.
However, singing pop tunes did not fulfill his inner musical desires and dreams, and he was left unsatisfied. He then began to delve into the indigenous music of his ancestors, and he found the Duitara changed his taste for the music changed. One of his popular songs called MEGHALAYA Duitara, translated Alone with My Duitara, perfectly sums up his musical style. This is a song about a Duitara player being alone with just his beloved instruments, and the lyrics are about the love for nature and the land.
Khasi music, Khasi songs, especially about nature, about loneliness when you are alone, it carries much significance. Without Duitara, there's no Khasi music. Of course, guitar and all this, and Casio and keyboards and all, they supplement the music, but not like the Duitara. The composition of songs also must match with the Duitara. It cannot be played by any other instrument except the Duitara.
As he says, he is very much attached to nature and all his songs are of nature. He is hopeful that the young generation can preserve and promote the traditional music as it carries the stories and memories of his forefathers. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
The weather report. The maximum temperature was 21.1 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 10.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 30%, while in the evening was 49%. Forecast weather is most likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. Before I wind up, here are the headlines once again. President presents National Awards on International Day of Persons with Disabilities. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma defends inauguration of CNRD blocks in the state. NPP Chief Conrad Sangma to contest polls from South Tura only. And singer, composer and musician Gloucester Nongbet from Meghalaya awarded Sangeet Natak Academy Amrit Award. That's all we have in the news for today. Do join us again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, it's good night.